when it comes to bleeding a brake master cylinder without removing it, there's often confusion and anxiety. Many people think it's a daunting task that will leave them with a half-functional brake system and a greasy mess. Don't fret, though. I'm here to guide you through the process with clarity and ease, just like you're fixing things with a friend. The first common pain point that often pops up is finding out why to bleed the master cylinder in the first place. Error in the system can lead to a spongy brake pedal, compromising your safety and driving experience. No one wants their brakes feeling like a squishy sponge, especially while navigating Portland's busy streets. Now, before you get started, let's address the tools you'll need. Grab a clear vinyl tube and a suitable container for the brake fluid. Make sure you also have the right brake fluid, type specific to your car. Pro tip, keeping everything organized and within arm's reach significantly speeds up the process. Starting the bleeding process may sound technical, but it's simpler than you might expect. Begin by locating the master cylinder in your car. It's usually found near the driver's side firewall. To clear debris, thoroughly clean the cylinder and surrounding area before opening it. This step is crucial to avoid contaminating the brake fluid. Attach the clear vinyl tube to the bleeder valve on the master cylinder. This tube is your window to see any bubbles escaping, confirming the presence of air. Place the other end into your brake fluid container. Try to maintain the tube in a vertical position to spot bubbles effortlessly. Gently press the brake pedal several times. The motion will push air through the system and out of the tube. Watch closely as the fluid moves through. A clear fluid signals no air. If bubbles pop up, some persistent pumping may be necessary. It's like pushing the reset button on your braking system. A common mistake is assuming that all air has been bled out right away. Remember, patience here saves lives. Repeat the pressurizing process until no more bubbles appear. As you're doing this, keep an eye on your master cylinder's fluid level. Never let it drop too low, as low levels could pull air back into the system. Once the air is fully purged and the fluid flows flawlessly, go ahead and tighten the bleeder valve. Double check to ensure it's properly secured to avoid any leaks in the system. A tight seal will guarantee your brakes are ready to perform at their best on all those Portland hills. Cleanup doesn't just involve wiping down the cylinder. Properly dispose of old fluid, as it's environmentally harmful. Refill the master cylinder with fresh brake fluid to the recommended level. By topping up, you ensure the reliability of your brakes hydraulic system. And a quick test drive around a safe, empty area is a smart move. Press the brake pedal and feel for any softness or spongy response. If you notice a firm brake pedal, congratulations, you've successfully bled your brake master cylinder without the hassle of removing it. Mastering this process not only saves money on mechanic bills, but also gives you that satisfying feeling of competence. The car maintenance may seem intimidating, but each step you take toward understanding it will benefit you in the long run. Plus, it'll make for some great stories. Next time someone asks for car advice,